is amazing, Barry! Look! The robots are waving at us! It's like a dream! Ooh, what's that one going to do? It's a super speedy robot bot! And she has a matching cape!
Welcome to the factory where we create smiles, one toy at a time. The gears of happiness are always turning here.
Machines melt plastic and make toy parts in fun shapes. Now assembling all the tiny parts. They come together, just like a puzzle, and makes your favorite toy.
Cute!
Painting and decorating process completed.
Each toy is checked to make sure it's safe and strong for kids like me. Finally, toys are packed in boxes and sent to stores, ready to play.
If you love toys, like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Bye-bye.